Yeah, and in this video I'm going to do a little birthday tool haul of all the items I got for my birthday related to the channel and some tool parts. We've got plenty of cool bits to go through and have a look at. So let's get this video started. Let me clear the desk and we'll go one at a time as always. The first item we're going to start with is this Duan Cam Kit set. You don't know that just yet, but it is a cam kit set, so let me get this set way around. I'm going to open. They're quite stiff. The inside here, a lovely kit of cam tools for doing timing belt jobs. So we've got a wide selection. Let me just zoom in a bit and give you a bit of a better look. You can see we've got a nice wide selection of things. So we've got plenty to look at and plenty to use in this lovely kit. And yeah, it's going to come in very handy. I've got a couple of timing belt jobs coming up soon, so it's going to be very helpful for that. Next up, we've got this lovely Moo Microphone. It's quite a cool little microphone. Comes with plenty of little add-ons. So I've already got it out of the box to show you. So here it is, just here, and it will eventually be recording most of the audio for the channel. For the moment, I need one more part to make it work completely with my setup that I've got at the moment. But it works quite well. It's quite a nice one. Let me take the mouse off. There we are. You can see there's the microphone itself, and it's got these lovely anti-shock mounts for it. As I said, I'm waiting on one more part to come so I can connect it up to my camera that I'm using now, which is a new camera, which I'll show you in the next bit. So next up we have this lovely set of oil filter wrenches. So these are for the canister style oil wrenches. Let me get this out of the packaging quickly, so 2 seconds. I'm not sure how the audio is going to sound on this, but it should be alright. Sorry about the crunchiness. Here comes in 2 different types. They're both 3/8 drive and they're from US Pro. They're pretty good. Let me just adjust that so it's slightly more central for you. There we are. Yeah, they're pretty good. Yeah, so a 1/2" drive and a 3/8 with an adapter. And basically the more you tighten them down to help get off those really stubborn oil filters, and the canister one, the people that over tighten. They're pretty good. They've got 2 different styles. I look forward to using these. Hopefully they'll come up pretty good. So next up we have this LeBaron 3-piece impact set. It's got these universal joints on them. So you can position it into basically any position you want. Which is good for getting those some stubborn fasteners that are hidden out the way. Gives you a bit more reach and a bit more scope to pull them off. Yeah, all pretty good. If I can get one off, I will let you have a proper look at it. There we are, there's one off. So they're spring loaded here, so we've got spring loaded detents. I don't know if you can see that down there. Yeah, they're really good, really handy. At least I hope they're really good and really handy. Obviously go with the ratchets that I've already got. So I know the ratchets are great, so I'm hoping these will be just as good. In this rather attractive blue little case, we have a set of wheel nut removers for the locking wheel nuts. So you just hammer these on over the locking wheel nut and they should bite in and remove them. So yeah, I'll give these a try very soon. Yeah, these are pretty good. They come with a little bar to knock out the wheel nut or stud, whatever you use. Just pop this through and then you just hammer this through this hole here, and that will knock out whatever you've got stuck in this end. Yeah, pretty handy, hopefully. Let's find out. Here's the digital camera itself. This is the empty box. I've got it out to quickly show you. It comes with 2 batteries, which is quite handy. And yeah, so here's the camera itself. It's a nice little camcorder style camera. There's the battery there, there's the memory card slot. Open it up. And it's quite useful. Obviously this is the old camera that I'm filming this on now. But yeah, the new one, pretty useful. You can zoom in and out on it. Got a lovely socket for where the microphone will be sitting eventually. And yeah, it's a pretty handy camera. Once I've learned all its features and uses and all that, it can help me make a lot better videos. It's a bit more versatile than the one that I'm filming on now. Next thing we've got is this premium ring light. It's actually on right now. You can see it lighting up the image. It's been lighting up most of this video. So yeah, let me quickly adjust the settings. So this is it off, and you can see the difference it makes in the quality of the footage. You can also adjust the brightness if you want, up and down. You can see it can fade it down and just have a subtle light or higher light. It also has a few different colours. Obviously you still need to experiment with which colour is best for videoing. But we'll get there in the end and make it all good and really good looking on the camera. So I won't actually show you the light itself, you've seen the effect of it. But yeah, this is really good, it's really going to help. It also comes with a little tripod, which I'm using right now. So yeah, I'll let you know what I think of it, and hopefully you'll still notice a difference in the future videos of mine. Thanks to this light. So next up we have these two set of plastic welders. We've got this style here that works with these metal style clips for welding plastic together, like securing it and making it stronger once you re-weld it. And this one is more of a gap filling, crack filling one, so it comes with these lovely little rods. I've got plenty of rods here, as you can see, plenty of accessories, and you just warm these up and then mount them down, like the switch on it. That's going to be pretty handy. This one's a trigger style one, so it'll be nice and easy to use. Hopefully we've got plenty of like options and instructions and all that. Obviously once I've used this all, I'll do a what's in the toolbox, or what's in my toolbox should I say, on all of these. Yeah, we've got all the different joining clips for all sorts of different strengths, as well as we come with a few other little accessories, a little wire brush, and a small pair of side cutters. So yeah, it all looks pretty good, it looks pretty handy. Once I've used it a bit, I'll let you know what I think. Just have a couple of other little neat little things I got. So I got this lovely Dobby's repair mug. Dobby the fixing alphabet, so I can use this when I am burning the midnight oils, making videos. It's quite a nice cup. And then I've also got this lovely key ring. It's got my real name on the one side and Dobby on the other side. Pretty good. Thank you very much to the people who got me these. We've got this lovely set of 5 long reach pliers. So we've got this one here. Slightly different angles on all of them. They all look pretty good. Like a nice big right angle one here. And then we've also got these ones with a round end on. These are pretty handy little ones to have. I like the extra long reach. They feel really comfortable in the hand. They're a bit stiff, they're brand new, but they'll soon wear in. Yeah, I'm really grateful for these as well. They'll be great little items. They really help out with certain things. Especially when you've got them fasteners that you're too far away for you to reach. You just want to reach in and grab them. Yeah, so these should be pretty good. Got this really nice welding helmet to go with welding gloves and a welder that I'll show you in just a second. Yeah, these are pretty good gloves. They fit really nicely. They feel fairly comfortable. They feel really thick as well. Yeah, and they're pretty good. And then also the helmet is a self-dimming one. So you've got an adjuster on the side here. Let me really get that in the shot for you. So yeah, you've got an adjuster just in the side here. You can adjust. It's got a nice little self-close. There's the inside of it. Let me just move that out of the way so you can see it. I haven't actually used it yet. Yeah, it's going to be pretty good. It's not a darkening one, so I haven't actually done much welding, so I'm going to be learning. So that'll be a fun journey for us to go on together. Next item I'll be showing you is this Sealy Mighty Mig 100. I'll get out the box in just a second. You can have a look outside the box and see what you think. Here we are with the welder out of the box now. As you can see, it's a Mighty Mig 100 from Sealy. So it's a great brand. I really trust Sealy's items and stuff. It comes with a roll of flux core wire, so that'll be good. Get me started. Like I said, I haven't actually ever MIG welded before, so it's going to be a real learning curve for me and a real, journey. So I'll hopefully share all that with you as I learn and just learn how to use it and learn how to weld better. I've done a bit of stick welding before, but not much. Here's the lance, and then it's got a nice little thick cable with the 3-plug English plug on it. You also have a this one here, this ground clamp. I haven't actually unpacked everything yet. And then also inside here, this is how you open it up. We have the handle, the wire feed, spool, and all that. So there's plenty to learn and do. And I'd just like to close this video out by saying thank you to everyone who's subbed to the channel and liked the channel and supported the channel with gifts like this to all my friends and family. So thank you all very much to everyone who's supporting the channel. If you enjoyed this video, why not drop a like? Any questions or feedback, let me know in the comments. I normally drop 2 videos a week, so if you haven't subbed to the channel yet, you should, and then you'll never miss another video. Do you know anyone else who would enjoy watching this video? Then feel free to share it with them. Thanks for watching until the end. Have a sensational day.